done with this car for today, and after that we come to the floor. The floor, we clean it in a special way that we don't leave it dirty down. After applying our special soap that removes the dirt from the floor, we use our machine with this nozzle over here to suck all the debris that is there together with the dirty soapy water that we had applied. As you can see, the floor is already done. What we are remaining with is to return those seats to their position and our work will be done. Let me take you through some of the service that we do provide apart from car interior cleaning service. As professionals in the cleaning industry, we do offer other services which include general office cleaning services, whereby you may need our team or staff to be working for you on a daily basis, weekly, bi-weekly, or thrice a week, or once a week. We will provide the staff for you. We do offer residential cleaning services whereby we can come and do general cleaning of your house, including the carpets, the seats, do the washrooms, everywhere, dust and scrub the floor and leave your place clean. Also, we do offer fumigation and pest control service, especially those who are infected with cockroaches, mites, bed bugs. We have the solution for you. Get to us on our Facebook page, Operates Cleaning Services. You will get our number over there. Out there and you need a reliable cleaning company that can offer you the best, we are the best. Operates Cleaning Services, that is our Facebook page. Our car detailing page is called Car Detailing Services Kenya. You will see a number of pictures that we've done showcasing the amount of work that Operates Cleaning Services does. We also have a fumigation page. You will see our work there. Facebook has been our main source of clients. IG, Instagram also, we have a page there by the name Operates Cleaning Services. Also on TikTok, we do post our videos there on the same. Out there and you need reliable cleaning service, Operates Cleaning Services is the best solution for you. May you have a lovely day wherever you are as we wait for your call to offer you the best in terms of cleaning service. May you be blessed and have a lovely day. Thank you.